Hello, let's look at the Mathematics SPM Trial Paper 2022, Penang Paper 1. So we look at the questions. So the question 1, which number is correct when expressed in the standard form? Okay, so we compare each of this. Basically, we want to convert each of this to the standard form. So I look at how many place values I need to shift it to the left. So if you look at the first one, you shift it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I shift it 6 times, basically that means it is 7.3 times 10 to the power 6 instead of times 10 to the power 5. The second one, shift 1, 2. Actually, I straight away look at this. 18 times 10 to the power 5 definitely is wrong. Okay, 18 times 10 to the power 5 would not be the standard form. The first place value, the first significant figure has to be right before the decimal. So this is not, same goes for C. C definitely is not. So naturally, okay, we would know that D would be the answer. Okay, so D would be the answer. If we just double check, shift it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 spaces to the right. So times 10 to the power -5. Yeah, when we shift it, make the number bigger. I'm multiplying 10 to the power 5. That's why there's a times 10 to the power -5 to balance it. So that is still the same number. Right? Question 2. 7.3 times 10 to the power -4 minus 0.0000018. So if it's a paper 1 question, actually, questions like this, we can always just use calculator to count. 7.3 times 10 to the power of -4 minus 0.0000018. Then straight away, I will get the answer in standard form. 7.282 times 10 to the power of -4. Answer D. Yeah. Okay. Alternatively, if I want to do it manually, I shift 1, 2, 3, 4 space. So it's 0.018 times 10 to the power of -4. Then I take 7.3 minus this. 7.3 minus 0.018, which is also 7.282. So times 10 to the power -4 remains. Then question 3. A rectangular floor of a multi-purpose hall has length of 45 meters and width 25 meters. Square tiles with length 30 cm is used to cover the floor. So I want number of tiles required. So I use the area to compare. Okay, area of the floor, 45 meters by 25 meters, and area of the tile would be 30 cm by 30 cm. So since it's different unit of measurement, one is meters, one is cm, I need to compare using the same units. So it's easier to change from meter to cm than cm to meters. So let's change meter to cm times 100. So it's 4,500 meters and 2,500 meters. So I times 4,500 times 2,500. 1125,0,0,0. Area of a tile is just 30 cm by 30 cm, so 30 square, which is 900 cm square. Both are cm square. So number of tiles is just area of the floor. 1,100,000 sorry, 11,250,000 divided by 900, which is 12,500. Answer C. Question 4. I want a plan view of the composite shape here. Plan view means view from the top. So you can see this is inside. There's a gap here. So definitely it won't be B. So yeah. This is, oh, this is weird. None of this. Yeah, none of this is the composite, the plan view. Something wrong with this question actually. The closest one would be B. The closest one. However, even that is actually wrong. Yeah, because it's not all the way to the end. Unless this is actually like this, all the way until the end, then it would be the B. So this is a question problem. So what it would actually look like would be something like this. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so yeah, this question problem, you can kind of say is bonus question. Right. Question 5. Find the equivalent value of 1011 base 2 in base 7. So convert from base 2 to base 7. I need to convert first to base 10. Power 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1 times of the 2 to the power 3. 0 I skip. 1 times of 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 0, which is 1. Yeah, that is how we convert to base 10. So it's 11 in base 10, then convert to base 7. 1 divided by 7 is 1 remainder 4 divided by 7, 0 remainder 1. Take remainder from bottom to top. Question problem again. Is 1111. Refer to the PM1. So means there is a 2 to the power of 2 as well. So it's 15 in base 10. 15 divided by 7, 2 remainder 1. Divided by 7, 0 remainder 2. Take remainder from bottom to top. Answer B. 2, 1, base 7. Then question 6. Given that this is equals to this in base 10, find M. So just convert from base 10 to base 7. Yeah. Similar to just now. Divided by 7, 80, remainder 1. Divided by 7, 11, remainder 3. Divided by 7, 1 remainder 4. Divided by 7, 0 remainder 1. So take the remainder from bottom to top. 1, 4, 3, 1 base 7 means M is 3. Answer C. Question 7. I have a regular hexagon here. Whenever you see regular polygon, I definitely want the interior angle. So interior angle of your regular hexagon, sum of interior angles 6 minus 2 times 180. Then I divide by 6 because regular polygon, each of the interior angle is the same. So I'll get 120, means each of the interior angle 120 degrees. So Q I already know is 120. So in a hexagon like this, basically, here will be 90 if I cut like that. Okay, if not, you can also use this triangle because this isosceles triangle, regular hexagon, all the sides same length. So if this is 120, I take 180 minus 120 divided by 2. I'll get 30 degrees. Or I can take 120 minus 90. I also get 30. So difference between Q and P, Q minus P, 120 minus 30, which is 90. Answer C. Question 8. P and Q is a tangent to the circle KLMN with center O. At point N, KON is diameter of the circle. Yeah, this is diameter. Find the value of Y. So I want to find Y here. P and Q is a tangent line. So when it's a tangent line like this angle is 40. So we can refer to this triangle. Angle in the alternate segment means opposite of the chord, the angle should be the same. So here will be 40 degrees. Yeah. Then here would be 90 degrees because this is diameter. Opposite of diameter forming a triangle like this would be, it will be 90 degrees. So I can compare 40, 28, Y and the 90 here. Basically, all of them add together would be 180 because this whole thing is a cyclic quadrilateral. So opposite interior angles add up to 180. So Y will be 180 minus 90 minus 40 minus 28. Yeah. Okay, 180 minus the other three angles. So 180 minus 90 minus 40 minus 28, I get 22. Answer B. Okay. Question 9. So among these triangles, which is the image of L under a single reflection? Under one single reflection, there's no way I can reflect here. There's no way I can reflect A here. There's no way I can reflect B. I can only reflect D. So what you can do, okay, sometimes it may be a bit hard to see as it is. So what you can do instead is you can actually rotate the whole paper to different angles. Okay, so if you rotate so that D and L are side by side, okay, are side by side to each other, you will be able to see that it's a reflection of one another. Yeah, you will be able to see that when I have a line like this, it basically flip over the line and it's exactly the same. So yeah, answer is D. Question 10. I have these two trapeziums, KLMN and ABCD on the square grids. So KLMN is the image of ABCD under an enlargement. I want the center and scale factor of the enlargement. If I see the scale factor, I compare the length. KLMN is the image of ABCD, not ABCD image of KLMN. So the smaller one is the image. So scale factor is always length of image over length of object. This is 6 boxes. 2 over 6 means 1 over 3 scale factor. Center of enlargement, we just draw a straight line connecting the equivalent points. This one. And I can use this one. They will intersect at the center of enlargement, which is the point P here. So scale factor 1/3, center of enlargement P. Answer 8. Question 11. So I have two right angled triangles. PQRSC is a straight line. So given sine x is 3/5, sine y, tangent y is -5/3. So negative actually is just because it's a quadrant 2 angle. Okay, both of these I refer to here and here. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, means 12 over hypotenuse is the QU equals to 3/5. Yeah, so I want to find QU. I can change 3 to 12, I times 4. So 5 also times 4 becomes 12/20 is 12 over QU. Means Q to U is 20. Yeah. Then tangent Y means opposite over adjacent. Opposite is VR over adjacent RS, which is 12, equal to 5/3. Change the 3 to 12 times 4, or actually I can just get rid of the 12. Bring over the 12, divide opposite times. 5/3 times 12 is 20. Yeah. So VR is also 20. If VR is 20, UV will be 20 minus 12, which is 8. So actually, I don't even need the sine x value. I can just straight away use tangent y because I'm already given here is 12. Yeah, not a very good question, but yeah, they kind of put this as a red herring in a sense. Okay, question 12. Diagram here shows graph of y equals cos x. I want to find value of p. I think something wrong with this diagram. It should be on the curve. Like that. Sorry, p here. Yeah, means when y is negative 0.5, what would p be? Yeah. So cos x is negative 0.5. I want to find x, but what I can find is only the reference value of x. I've put cos inverse. I don't take the negative, I take 0.5. Okay, this is in degree. 60 degrees. So here is 270 degrees. Yeah. And here is 180. So basically it's 60 degrees after 280 after 180. Basically is that ASTC is third quadrant. So the reference angle is 60 degrees. Means the angle will be from here to here, 180 plus 60, 240 degrees. So answer D. Question 13. Point P and Q are on the arc of a unit circle with center O. So find cos x plus sine y. Cos x, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So if I split triangle like that, adjacent will be the x, hypotenuse is 1, 0.6. Plus sine y. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is the y. Hypotenuse again 1, so it's 0.98. So just plus together. Means it's 1.58. Answer C. Question 14. Darius wants to buy a new refrigerator with price 1980 in half a year. How much is the money savings needed to help him to achieve the short-term financial goal? Yeah. So price is 1980 half a year. So 1980 half a year means 6 months. So I divide by 6. Is 330. Means each month he has to save 330. That's it. Question 15. In 2022, annual fee for Archery Club 2,500 ringgit. Annual fee increases by 6% each year. What is the model that represents the situation? So means it starts with 2,500 and it multiplies by 6%, means times 1.06. Increase by 6%, sorry. Means multiply 1.06. Change all this to 6. Yeah, question error again. 1.06 to the power of t. Yeah, because each year I times 1.06, so 1.606 to the power of t. So the t, whether it's t or t minus 1, actually depends on whether you consider 2022 as the first year or not. So if time is represented by which year it starts from, means that it starts from T1 for 2022. Okay, then I have to minus 1. Yeah. If T is the number of years that has passed, then it's just T. Yeah. So again, this is another question that is not well set. Okay, answer is A, but not well set question, they should indicate the t value in a sense, whether it starts from 0 or starts from 1. Okay. Then question 16. Sarima received active income 4,000 ringgit, passive income 1,000. Then fixed expense 1,250 and irregular expense 600. So they want her monthly cash flow. Monthly cash flow very simple. It's just add the income, active and passive, minus expenses, whether it's regular or irregular. 4,000 plus 1,000 minus 1,250 minus 600. So 3,150. Yeah. 3,150 positive cash flow. Because income more than expense. So it's a positive cash flow. Question 17. These are policy for motor insurance in Malaysia. There is third-party policy, comprehensive policy, third-party life and death policy. Personal accident, no such thing in Malaysia. Yeah. Okay. There is these three that you have to know. Question 18. Mustaqim had dinner at a restaurant. He had eaten a plate of fried rice, 2 pieces of fried chicken, and a cup of coffee. Table 1 shows price of food and drink. So it's given restaurant charges 6% of service tax. Calculate Mustaqim's bill. So he had 1 plate of fried rice, 2 pieces of chicken, 1 cup of coffee. Means 550 plus 2 times 450 plus 4 ringgit. Yeah. I find the total first. 5.5 plus 2 times 4.5 plus 4, which is 18.5. That's before tax. The tax is 6%, means I just need to count 1.6, sorry, 106%. But if you want, you can count 6% of that first. Then you get 1 ringgit and 11 cents. So total will be 18.5 plus 1.11, which is 19 ringgit and 61 cents. Answer B. Question 19. Given that 2pq minus q is r over 3qt, A, no t. Yeah, this is a typo. It's r over 3q. Express q in terms of p and r. So I want to rearrange so that I have q, just q. Okay. Yeah. So what I want to do, this one, I factorize the q first. 2p minus 1. Okay, 2pq divide q 2p, q divide q 1. Equals r over 3q. So I want to get rid of this q as well. Bring that over. And now, yeah, means basically times q on both sides. So it's q square, 2p minus 1 equals r over 3q. Then bring over the 2p minus 1. So it goes on the bottom. Sorry, no more q here, because this will cut. Then 3 times 2p minus 1, which is 6p minus 3. Then bring over the square, opposite square root. Square root of r over 6p minus 3, which is A. Question 20. Express this as single fraction in its simplest form. First, we factorize this. So it's x 5, 1 plus plus. So it means I'm missing an x plus 1. So I times x plus 1 here, top and bottom. So it'll be 5x plus 1. So denominator is same, I can straight away combine. So minus top minus 5x over x plus 1, x plus 5, which is 1 over x plus 1, x plus 5. Okay, sorry. I didn't times the 5, yeah. 5 over x plus 1, x plus 5. Answer A. Yeah. Question 21. just expand this, open up this bracket first, and open up both brackets first. 2 times 2m, 4m, minus 3 times 2, 6, then minus m. This one, same sign, becomes plus 2 equals, which is equal to 4m minus m, combine like terms, 3m minus 2 plus minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So 3m minus 4, answer D. Calculate value of x and y from here. So I use simultaneous equation. Up to you whether you want to use elimination or substitution. Let's say I use substitution. X equals 10 plus 2y. Equation 1, equation 2. Substitute 1 into 2. 4 times 10 plus 2y plus 3y equals 7. Times in 40 plus 8y plus 3y is 7. 8y plus 3y, 11y. Bring over the 40. Positive become minus. So it's negative 33. Carry out 11 times opposite divide. So y will be negative 3. Yeah, so that's y. Sub back into equation 1 to find x. X is 10 plus 2 times negative 3. 10 minus 6, 4. 4 and negative 3. Answer D. Okay. Question 23. R plus 2 over 3 plus 4 equals 2. So I want, basically I want to find R. Yeah. Bring over the 4. Becomes minus 4 plus opposite minus, so minus 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Bring over the 3, divide 3 opposite times 3, which is negative 6, then plus 2 opposite minus 2. R is negative 8. Answer C. Question 24, evaluate this. So indices, 3 to the power negative 2 divide 4 to the power negative half. So 3 to the power negative 2 means 1 over 3 square, which is 1 over 9. Divide 4 to the power negative half. Negative, again, power negative means 1 over. 4 to the power half is 2. So 1 over 9 divided 1 over 2 means 1 over 9 times 2 over 1. Divide by a fraction means times flip the fraction around. So it's 2 over 9. Answer B. Question 25. 4x plus 5 more equals x plus 2. Find the solution. So just solve this. Bring over the x, positive become minus. Then bring over the plus 5, opposite minus 5. So 3x more equals negative 3. Get rid of 3, divide by 3. X more equals negative 1. Answer A. Question 26. Given Q more or equals X less or equals Y is the solution for both of the simultaneous inequalities here. Find X and Y. So solve the inequalities. Bring over minus 3 opposite plus 3. Q less or equals 14. Then the other one. 2q plus 5 more equals 9. Bring over 5 plus opposite minus, which is 4. Get rid of 2 times opposite divide. Q more equals 2. Yeah. So basically it is between 2 and 14. So answer is 2 and 14. X is 2, Y is 14. Yeah. Okay, because it's a Q more equals X. So the X should be the 2. That's 26. 27. Find the range marks for the test. So I have dot plot here. I want the range is just highest value minus lowest value. So here is 38 minus lowest is here 11. So 27. Answer C. Question 28. Mean for the data is 5. Median is 5. Two new pieces of data, 5 and 7, will put in the set. Determine the mode for these 8 pieces of data. So if mean is 5, yeah, means I add all of them together. Yeah, divide by 6 values is equals to 5. Bring over the 6 times 6. This one x plus y plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 6 is 21. So this 30. Bring over 21 minus 21. X plus y is 9. Yeah. Okay. If I arrange this, I have 6 and 6. 5. The 4 can be 4xy like that, or it can be something x, yeah, something like that. Okay, basically the middle median is 5, so the middle point is 5, so y must be 5. I mean, it can be x, can be y, doesn't really matter. So here must be 5, and then to get 9, if it's 5, means it must be 4 plus 5. Yeah, because to get 9, it will be 4 plus 5 or 3 plus 6. Yeah. If it's 6 and 3, then it will be like that, which doesn't give a median of 5. So the only way is like this. So I put in 2 pieces of data, 5 and 7. So I add in a 7, add in another 5. So the mode will be 5. Yeah, answer C. Question 29. I have a graph here, which is not a subgraph. So subgraph has to be exactly the same, everything exactly the same, the vertex and the edges. So A is correct. B is, yeah, B is different. There is no F line from, there is no edge from F to H. So B is not a subgraph. Okay, the rest also correct. All the line, all the edges and the vertices are, yeah, are present in the main graph. Question 30. I have undirected and weighted graph. Weight represents distance. Calculate difference between longest and shortest distance in meters from point P to point T. I want to go from P to T. I want the shortest and longest distance. So shorter one will probably be this way. Or like this. Not sure which is shorter. 6 plus 5 plus 1.2. 12.2. The other one 8.8 plus 4. That is 12.8. So yeah, shortest should be PQUT. Longest, actually longest is very, yeah, longest is a bit ambiguous. Yeah, so I can go here, take a detour, then go here. Yeah, but technically, yeah, technically I can go round and round around PQR lah, but let's not consider that. So I had 12.2 km. This one will be 8.8 plus 6.7 plus 5 plus 1.2, which gives us 21.7 km. So the difference, 21.7 minus 12.2, 9.5. 9.5 km means 9,500 meters. So yeah, answer would be A. Question 31. Given this plus this equals this, so this is basically matrix. So 2 I times in means 8 2p plus q also times in q 2q, yeah, equals 13 8. Combine again into one matrix, 8 plus 2q for the first, sorry, 8 plus q for the first element, 2p plus 2q for the second one. Compare it with 13 8. So compare separately. 8 plus q is 13. Q will be 13 minus 8, 5. Yeah. Then this one, 2p plus 2q, q I already know is 5, equals to 8. 2 times 5, 10. Bring over the 10 minus 10. 2p is 8 minus 10, negative 2. Bring over 2, divide 2. P is negative 1. So I want 2q divided by p. 2 times 5 divided by negative 1, negative 10. Answer A. Okay. Question 32, also matrix. This is just order of the matrix X. So AX is this. Yeah, so this is a 2 rows, 1 column matrix. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. So 2 by 2 multiplied with something by something. This is the X matrix. I end up with a 2 by 1 matrix. So this and this must be the same. So it must be 2 here. Ends up with 2 by 1. So it means it must be a 1 here. So it's a 2 by 1 matrix. Answer D. Yeah, this must follow. This must be the same. And then this put together will be the order of the resulting matrix, the product of the matrix. Question 33. Venn diagram here shows universal set P, set Q, and set R. I want the shaded region here. So it's inside P, inside Q, both together. means P union Q, but it's outside of this. Outside means the complement. So it's inside and outside of this at the same time means intersect. Yeah. So whether there's bracket or not actually doesn't matter. So P intersect Q union, sorry, P union Q intersect R prime. Answer C. Question 34. Which of the statement is true? So I have universal set, set A, set B. So if I want to find which is true, it's best we list out what's in set A and set B first. So it's easier for us to compare. Factors of 20 must be inside universal set. So means from 5 to 25. Factors of 20, 20 I can divide 1, 2, yeah, but that's not inside. 4 can, but not also not inside. 5, 10, 20. Yeah. Set B, factors of 25. 25 I can divide 5. I can divide 25. Yeah. So A intersect B equals B is not. A intersect B is a subset of B. That is correct. Yeah. Answer B. A is subset of B, B subset of A is not. None of them are subsets of one another. But this is correct because A intersect B is just the 5. And 5 is a subset of B. So that's correct. Question 35. I have straight line PQ on a Cartesian plane. I'm given gradient of PQ is 3 over 4. Find the x-intercept of a straight line. X-intercept means y is 0. So I just need to find x. Basically, gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if I take say 0 minus 6 over x minus 4, it will be equals to the gradient 3 over 4. Okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So -6 let's bring over this times x minus 4, bring over the fraction, flip it around, times 4, yeah, -6 times 4 over 3 is x minus 4. This will be -8, bring over the 4, minus opposite plus. So x is -4. Answer B. Okay. Question 36. Which is the equation for straight line RS? So they say both lines are parallel. Means it has the same gradient. So let's find gradient first. 5 minus -3 over 2 minus -4. 8 over 6 means 4 over 3. Yeah. RS here, I have the y-intercept, means that's the C. So y equals 4 over 3x minus 6. Y equals mx plus c. Okay, just put the m, this, and the c, this. Yeah, into the equation. So answer D. 37. So I have cards with alphabets from word Gagaran. So a card is picked at random. Probability that a card picked is labeled with consonant. Consonant means not vowels. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 consonants. So probability will be 4 out of total 7 cards. So 4 over 7. Answer B. Question 38. I have number of members in different societies shown in the table. So probability that a pupil is a member of science society 2 over 5 means number of them in science society K over total. Yeah. Means add all together. 50 plus 75 plus 40 plus K equal to 2 over 5. Is K plus 165 equals 2 over 5. So I can cross multiply. 5K is 2 times K plus 165. 5K is 2K plus 330. Bring over the 2K plus opposite minus 3K. Then bring over the 3 times opposite divide by 3, which is 110. So K is 110. Answer C. Question 39. Relation between P, R, and S. P varies with square root of R over S. I'm given P is this, R is this, S is this. So find value of P when R is 9, S is 6. So I would form the equation first. Basically, P equals K times square root of R over S. Find K, sub in all the values. 10 equals K times square root of 4 over 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 over 2, basically, K is 10. Yeah. So P equals 10 square root of R over S. Then I can just put on top. Sub in R and S. 10 times square root of 9 over 6. Square root of 9 is 3. 30 divided by 6, 5. Answer C. Yeah. Okay. Question 40. Given V varies inversely as square of W. There's no width. And W is 2 when V is 3. Express W in terms of V. V varies inversely. Means varies with 1 over. So equals K over square of W. Means W square. Okay. So sub in V and W. 3 equals K over 2 square. 3 equals K over 4. Bring over the 4. Divide opposite times. K is 12. Means V is 12 over W square. But what I want is W in terms of V. So bring up the W square. Bring over the V. 12 over V. And square opposite square roots. Yeah. So W is square root of 12 over V. Answer D. That's it. So yeah, that's for the paper 1. Yeah, of this paper. That's all for this paper. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.